I have an exciting update on CFG. We have been tripling our investment in 3 months. We've hit a major milestone with Centrifuge CFG. Since my last post in September, the price has soared from 20 cents to an impressive 60 cents today, even reaching a peak of 80 cents on Christmas Eve. What a gem CFG has proven to be, embodying the very essence of a high-potential investment in our crypto trading space. This success story underlines why CFG is on a mission to tokenize everything, showcasing the immense value and growth potential within the decentralized finance space. This is a golden moment for us to strategize our next moves with CFG. Given its remarkable performance, we have a dual opportunity here to buy more and to continue holding for the long term. I advocate for a balanced approach. I keep some in holdings for the long haul and actively trading the other portion. This strategy not only secures our gains but also positions us to capitalize on market fluctuations. We make a short-term income, which some of us have replaced our full-time jobs, and we also wait for the bull run which is approaching, and I predict that most of us will make an insane return on our money. Last bull run, some of the projects I introduced to everyone made 100 times our investment, so for every $1 invested you get back $100, which is absolutely insane, but this is the world we live in now. Some of us can get very rich when we don't mess around. The proof is always in the pudding, so one project we did this on is Matic. On YouTube Live, I did a 2.5-hour Q&A for my students, and I shared Matic under 3 cents and it went to 2.92 in only 8 months. So when you buy something for 2 cents and you sell it for $2.92, then the math is clear. You made a 100x return on your money. I believe we will do that again on many other projects. Now back to CFG. Currently, there is our present moment indicator indicating high buying pressure and public interest in CFG. They know what we know. CFG is tokenizing everything. We'll keep monitoring the market closely for the optimal trading opportunities with CFG, ensuring we're always positioned to maximize our investment. Centrifuge is on a mission to tokenize everything. Imagine you could turn almost anything you own into a digital form that can be bought, sold, or traded online easily, just like you do with photos or messages. That's exactly what Centrifuge aims to do, but with real, valuable assets like houses, patents, or future earnings from a business. This process of converting physical or tangible assets into a digital format that can live and move on the internet is called tokenization. What does this mean for total beginners? In the simplest terms, tokenization is like creating a digital twin of something valuable in the real world. This digital twin is represented by a token on a blockchain, which is a secure online ledger that records transactions. It's similar to how you might use a bank app to manage your money, but instead, these tokens can represent parts of a house, a piece of art, or any asset you can think of. The beauty of it is that these tokens can be split into smaller parts, making it possible for more people to own a piece of something valuable because they can buy just a fraction of it. This opens up opportunities for smaller investors to get involved in markets previously out of reach for them, bringing Centrifuge's mission to life for beginners. How to get involved with Centrifuge? You can get into buying tokens. Centrifuge makes 2 types of digital tokens available. One is like a direct representation of Centrifuge itself, which you can buy on a platform where we do these things and I show the best ones in our group. The other, called Wrapped Centrifuge, is a bit simpler and can be bought on popular apps designed for buying digital currencies. Why it matters. These tokens are your entry ticket into the world of digital asset ownership. Think of it as buying a share in a company, but instead, you're buying a share in a digital asset that can grow in value over time. The big picture. Why Centrifuge is a big deal. Centrifuge is trying to fix a very old and complicated process known as securitization, which is how loans or assets are bundled together and sold. Right now, this process is slow, expensive, and not very transparent. By using blockchain technology, Centrifuge makes it easier, cheaper, and clearer for everyone involved. This could change how we invest in and own parts of assets, from real estate to intellectual property. Real-world impact. Imagine if businesses could turn their future earnings into digital tokens that people could buy and trade. This could make it much easier for businesses to get the funding they need and for investors to find new opportunities. Centrifuge is already making this happen with over $500 million in assets turned into digital tokens. We have exciting milestones with CFG. This is why Centrifuge stands out. Revolutionizing asset ownership. Centrifuge is transforming real-world assets into tradable digital tokens on the blockchain, simplifying and democratizing access to investment opportunities. This tokenization process bridges traditional finance and DeFi, making it easier and more transparent to own a piece of various assets, from real estate to business revenues. Empowering holders through DeFi governance, the CFG token is at the heart of the Centrifuge ecosystem, offering holders governance rights, stakeholding opportunities, and the ability to manage transaction fees. It's not just a cryptocurrency, it's a ticket to being part of a groundbreaking financial innovation. Addressing the credit gap for small businesses, Centrifuge tackles the significant challenge of providing credit to small enterprises by leveraging blockchain technology. This approach offers a lifeline to businesses that traditional banking systems often overlook, showcasing Centrifuge's potential for growth and social impact. Our strategic approach to CFG investment. Reflecting on our success, a balanced strategy of holding long-term and trading a portion of our CFG investments has proved beneficial. As we navigate the crazy crypto market, maintaining this equilibrium will be crucial for leveraging CFG's long-term potential and the transformative power of blockchain and asset ownership and investment. The path forward. As CFG's journey from 20 cents to its current value demonstrates, we're part of a transformative journey in the DeFi landscape. Our collective insights and strategies will continue to fuel our growth with CFG, emphasizing the importance of staying engaged and ready for future investment opportunities. Investment insights and strategy. The CFG ecosystem. At its foundation, CFG is dedicated to making credit more accessible to small businesses, a testament to its ambitious goal within the DeFi protocol. This commitment is further cemented by the CFG token, which facilitates platform governance, staking, fee management, and more, recognizing the team's efforts. Despite skepticism about CFG's team, their tangible solutions and genuine problem-solving for small businesses underscore their competence and dedication. The impact of their work, especially in empowering token holders and addressing the credit needs of small businesses, is undeniable. Navigating risks. Like any cryptocurrency, CFG encounters market volatility and price fluctuations. Acknowledging the inherent risks and unpredictability of crypto investments is essential as we continue our meticulous research and strategic planning. Long-term outlook. CFG's focus on real-world solutions for small business credit challenges hints at its staying power and potential longevity in the financial ecosystem. Am I buying it today? No, we already bought it, but when we have a better entry, we will go in for a nice buy and sell to make some income. The cryptocurrency projects we have bought in the last 4 days have already made 30% on some. I was really excited to share the 2024 Crypto Bull Run list, and we have some more cool tips and updates in our group. I have like 20 more tips, so come join us in our private area.